Do you have any focus? Jag tror det. Shall I stand here? This episode is brought to you by the coffee supporters. Thank you, dear coffee supporters. If you'd like to be a member, hit join below or go to Patreon. Today, it's all about macro and chocolate. I have my pocket wizard in my pocket. Did you hear that? I just smashed the chocolate and then piled it up. We are using my R5C today with the Canon 100mm macro lens 2.8, and we're shooting at aperture something 11. Let's take the first shot. You see the big monitor up there, black frame. I haven't turned on any. Here's also a flash. And we have one here, we have one over there. Soon everything will make sense. Calm down. The D2 over here, shooting straight into the camera. That's good. I have a snoot with a grid because I want to have a hard light from this flash. So let's take a shot. I want to show as much texture as possible. That's why I have the light coming in from the side, not straight on. Because if we hit the chocolate straight on, it will just look flat. We can turn off the modeling light on this one. Classic hard light, showing everything. There are cracks for the ant to hide. And if we put on a soft light instead, then there's nowhere to hide for this poor ant walking around on these chocolate bits. Now he can hide, and that means we have a hard light. What now? Are we done? Is it that simple? One light? Well, I tested a bit here. I thought that we could use both soft and hard light, so it's not this super dramatic. So let's put on a soft light too, okay? And how do we do that? Well, we can put up a soft box, big soft box, but we can also just like this, and then we have a flash here, filling up this leaf filter diffusion. And let's take a shot. Now we have the hard light and the soft light. Do you see any difference? And then we have hard light plus soft light. You see difference? We're filling up some of the darkest parts. But if you put up the power on the soft light, and then we compare with only hard light, more dramatic. This is more, it's not that dramatic, and also we're losing the three-dimensional thing here, I feel. The darkest part here. Probably it will look nicer with only the soft light. We can take a shot. Let's turn off the hard light, that one over there, off, and now we only have this one, the soft light. And it will be very, very different image with the soft light, of course. Big light source. And this is kind of cool. Low power, but it's a completely different feel to it. We can go up a bit more. Very nice. But if you compare with the hard light, you know, I am a soft light guy, but in this case, we need to go for the hard light. That's how I feel. I destroyed the setup. I hit the table. Ouch. Okay, now I build it up again. We will go for this one because I wanted to test light painting. I'm just curious. It was a long time ago I did light painting, and I think you should try that with this device. So how do we do this? Well, we need to be in the dark room. We need to shut off all the lights. We set the shutter speed to 10 seconds. Let's start with that. And we still have aperture 11, but we change the shutter speed so we have time to paint with the light. Is this on? I made a very small hole with this black wrap, put on just a LED, and then I make a small hole so I can paint. See, like this. I will make the hole even smaller, so I paint, and then I paint a bit down here, paint here. I will shut off the video light, and the display is kind of bright. Let's take a shot. Oh, I need to paint then, of course. Kind of cool. Let's do another one. Let's change the shutter speed. Let's set the shutter speed to 20 seconds. Here we go again. Dramatic. Okay, one more. Really need more light in the center there. Okay, there we are. Woo, bright light. And let's take a look. This is cool. The white balance is off. So we probably should be something more like that. This is kind of cool, very dramatic. This one too. A bit of light painting. That's cool. You can get a very dramatic effect with light painting. Okay, if you have any questions, just leave them below. I answer everything as always. Thanks again for the support, all the members. I love you all very much. And remember, as always, I will see you next